Hi, good evening friends. Today we are going to learn how to write the examination at the end of our training program. Now I am bringing you the writing test. Let me read the heading: Lingua Skill Sample Test, Cambridge Assessment English. This is a purely writing test conducted by Cambridge University at the end of our training program. This writing contains two parts, part 1 and part 2. The length of this writing test is 45 minutes. It is 45 minutes. It contains two parts. And when we come to first part, in first part, you are asked to prepare an email. In this email, the candidate has to write at least 50 words. The time duration for this email test is 15 minutes. It is only for 15 minutes. 15 minutes. And the second part of this writing test is long text. In part 2, you are going to face long test. For this, the candidate will be asked to write a minimum of 180 words. A minimum of 180 words, and for this, candidate will be given 30 minutes of time. Let me explain you in detail the part 1 and part 2 and the types of questions in part 1. You are seeing that candidates read a short prompt, usually an email. They use the information in the prompt and the 3 bullet points to write an email of at least 50 words. Candidates should spend about 15 minutes on this. In part 1, as I have told you just now, you have to build up an email. For this, you have to write at least 50 words and you are given 15 minutes of time. But you are given 3 bullet points. Using those 3 bullet points, you have to prepare that email. At least you have to write with the help of the keyboard at least 50 words. Candidates should spend about 15 minutes on this part 1 test. Now come to part 2 in this writing test. In this part 2, candidates read a short text outlining a scenario and respond using the information in the scenario and the 3 bullet points. Candidates will write a letter of a report of at least 180 words. Candidates should spend about 30 minutes on this. In this part 2, the candidate must have to give 180 words with the help of the keyboard, and you are given 30 minutes of time for this part 2 exam. For this part 2, you are given 3 bullet points. Using those 3 bullet points as key points, you have to build up a letter. For this, you are given 30 minutes of time. Briefly, now I say you that writing test contains 2 parts. Part 1 is for 15 minutes and you have to write at least 50 words. In part 2, you are given 30 minutes of time and you are to write at least 180 words in this test. Now, let me explain you the model questions for part 1 and part 2. Now look at this, part 1. You have received this email from a friend you went to college with. Do you know it will soon be 5 years since we finished college? I think we should contact our old friends and arrange to meet again. Have you got any idea about what we conduct to celebrate and when? So this is the question. An email was received from a friend and that email contained like this. One friend asked another friend that after their college days, 5 years are going to be completed and they are planning to call all their old friends and to arrange some meeting. For that meeting, this friend is asked another friend how to arrange this meeting, how to celebrate this meeting, when do we celebrate this meeting. These questions are in that email. For this, there are 3 bullet points given for this question. What they are? Look at these. First bullet point, suggest a good way to celebrate with your old college friends. The second bullet point was, explain when would be the best time for the celebration. Third one, offer to help organize the celebration. So these are the 3 bullet points for preparation of an email, and you are to write at least of 50 words on the answer sheet. Remember that you have to give input through the computer keyboard only. Let us move to the part 2 of this writing test. Let me read it for you. The town where you live has a website where local people can discuss local issues. You are concerned about the increase in car and truck traffic in the town and have decided to post your comments on the town website. From this, we are receiving that there is a town. For the town, there is a website, and all the people of the town respond any concerns regarding to traffic problem or other things. They have to post their comments in that website. Now let me read the question. Write your comments for the town website. Write about, first bullet point, why you think the amount of traffic is increasing in your town. The second bullet point is what problems the increased traffic is causing in your town. Third bullet point, how the amount of traffic in your town could be reduced. So here are 3 bullet points. Based on these 3 bullet points, we have to make a letter. First bullet point, what are the causes to increase the traffic in the town? Because of the increasing traffic, what are other problems created? Next, third one, how do we reduce the traffic in the town? So based on these 3 bullet points, we have to prepare a letter. We have to give input through computer keyboard at least 180 words in 30 minutes. So this is the test in part 2. Now let me bring for you the test I faced at the end of my training program. I am bringing you the questions I faced in the exam. I faced the part 2 question like this for 180 words. My favorite sports person. I was asked to write 180 words on my favorite sports person. For this, I was given 3 bullet points. What they were? The first point was, why did you like your favorite sports person? The second bullet point was, what contributions he made to your nations? The third bullet point was, what would you ask him if he appears before you? This was the question that I wrote in the examination for 180 words in part 2. And the part 1 question was, you have to attend a friend's marriage, better means of transport. These are the 3 bullet points. The first bullet point in part 1 question for 50 words was, you have to attend friend's marriage, choose better means of transport. The second bullet point was, which gift you think to be memorable to the new couple. Third bullet point was, what would you say the new couple as your best wishes? So these were the 3 bullet points asked for me to write 50 words in part 1 question. So these are part 1 and part 2 of writing exam of me which I faced at the end of my training program. Friends, let me tell you some important things. This writing exam is conducted on computer. Using the computer keyboard, you have to write answers. The writing test for 45 minutes, part 1 for 15 minutes, and you have to write 50 words. Part 2 is for 30 minutes and you have to write at least 180 words. This is the test. Total marks 45 marks. Okay. Well, while you are going through the module in your offline class, be alert for the questions that they are teaching you. Thank you, one and all.